Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So you need to just follow my screen, don't miss any steps. We will fix this issue together. First of all, we need to just right click on the start icon and then select device manager. Once we are here, then for the particular device in which you are having problem, so you need to just expand this by clicking on this icon and then right click on the particular device, select properties, go to its drivers tab and select update driver. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then select the first option, and the base drivers for the particular device will be installed automatically. Now close this window. Now go to the search bar and simply type here change device installation settings. So type here change device installation settings, click on it and make sure on this window it will ask do you want to automatically download manufacturers apps and custom icons available on your devices. So we need to select yes, and this is recommended also. Then click on save changes and select cancel, and for now go to the services tab, find out Windows Update. Here it is, right click on it, select properties, make sure select startup type as automatic, click on apply, then OK, and start the services. You can also check out the pin command that will fix this issue quickly and effectively. You can also check out that pin command. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.